ever read the book and forget what you've just read? Or you feel you should have taken down notes while reading a particular chapter? Today, we'll be talking about how you can take notes while reading. Taking notes are very important because it helps you stay focused and engaged while reading, and helps you keep records of what you've read so far. So you can easily reference them later without needing to go through the book again. By the way, I'm Nick Cassandra. We have one mission at xandraly, which is to ignite a passion for reading in you and to guide your growth through literature. If that sounds like a journey you'd like to embark on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join your fellow trailblazers. It is important to know that you don't have to write down everything on the page of a book to take down notes. Copying down all the information doesn't really engage you, but it feels more like work. So here are 4 helpful tips to help you take notes more effectively when you read. First, try and read in small sections and then take time to reflect on it. Let's assume you are reading a page of your book. You can divide that page into 3 different sections and you'll take your time to reflect on it. Take notes on them in your own words. This not only helps you with normal novels or non-fiction books, but also with your academic books in case you are preparing for your exams. Second, use a reliable notes app. Though I recommend using a physical notebook and pen because writing down your notes engages you more with the book and you tend to remember the ideas you wrote yourself. But since the world is going fast digitally, so much people read ebooks more than physical books. You can use whatever you have available. Either ways, having a trusted note apps is important because not only will you be able to organize your notes better, you can also easily navigate them in case you need to go back to some of them. Some good note-taking apps are Evernote, Roam, Mem, and Notion. Third, keep your notes brief. There's no need to write down so many things because it makes it hard for you to go through them. Make your notes brief, take it 1 page at a time, and remember to focus on key points and write in your own words. 4, preview the chapter. You can go through the chapter one more time after reading just in case you miss some important details that will contribute greatly to your notes. Taking notes are very helpful in getting the most out of what you've read. As we wrap up, remember that note taking is more than just jotting down words. It's about capturing knowledge, organizing your thoughts, and paving a path for future understanding. The strategies we discussed today are just the starting point. With practice and consistency, you will refine your own methods that suits your learning style best. Keep your notes handy, revisit them, and watch as they become an invaluable tool in your journey of growth and discovery. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others learn too. Until next time, happy noting.